Economic data and US election. After publishing most of the earnings reports, the employment report and the Fed meeting, we realized that the economic condition in the US is not that bad, but a soft downtrend is started. In the week ahead, inflation fears and speakers from the Fed and other major central banks in line with the US midterm Congress election will be the main data and events to be watched closely. Number 1. Central bank speakers. As mentioned earlier, these speeches will be very important because they are going to give us more information about the decided policies and what we have to expect in the following meetings. German Bulba President Nagel, SNB Board Member Maschler, SNB Chairman Jordan, and FOMC Member Mr. will speak on Tuesday. FOMC Member Williams, RBA Assistant Governor Bullock, and MPC Member Haskell will speak on Wednesday. On Thursday, Ralston and Terrier from Bank of England MPC and FOMC members Mr. and George will give a speech. Number 2. U.S. Congressional Elections. On November 8, we will have the U.S. midterm congressional elections, where all 435 seats in the House of Representatives and 35 of 100 seats in the Senate will be contested. The importance of this election is its extent. Along with the Congress and Senate, 39 state and territorial gubernatorial elections and numbers of other states and local elections also will be contested. The results will determine the 118 United States Congress members. Number 3. U.S. inflation. On the busiest day of the economic calendar in the week ahead, U.S. inflation numbers are again supposed to create another wave in the market. Headline CPI number is expected to decline to 8% in October, while monthly inflation is supposed to increase by 0.7%. High gasoline and food prices are the main inflation drivers at the moment. We expect the same changes for the core inflation numbers as well. The annual core CPI number is expected to decline to 6.5%, but concerns remain uncomfortably high with a 0.5% monthly increase. UK quarter 3 GDP. The UK economy is in a recession and is expected to continue through 2024. UK inflation and BOE policies to control the inflation could create one of the most severe recessions to materialize in the coming years. We expect to see the UK economy contracted by 0.5% in quarter 3 to confirm that recession officially started. With these expected data and economic conditions, market participants are estimating a more gradual pace of tightening policies, and pressures on the pound are likely to persist for upcoming months. Number 5. Michigan consumer sentiment. Even if last month's headline sentiment index increased to surprise us, and while some analysts expect another surprise in November, the consensus forecast is for a slight 0.3 decrease, leaving sentiment at a historical low of 59.6. Consumer sentiment directly depends on the consumer expected inflation, which last month increased again from 4.7% to 5% for 2023. While Fed's 4 consecutive 75 basis point rate hikes somehow eased the inflation concerns, less hawkish decisions in the next meetings can reverse this pattern. High numbers will increase the US dollars and vice versa. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's going to be an amazing week for all of you.